that.
You have to send the extraction team now. We are running out of time. They are right behind us.
I'm on my way.
Move!
Let's move! Let's move!
Get that door shut.
We are live, heading south.
Target location in sight, moving in.
Go, go! Secure the target!
Deploying grapple. Get ready to pull. Keep the pressure on the foam.
It's letting go, it's letting go.
All right, pull back slowly now. Come on, push him up the bank!
We're almost there, keep steady.
Vitals look good.
Breathing is steady.
Let's get that sedative ready.